Hey guys, Brad back in the My Way shop. So we're back working on the F-150 Triton, and I haven't got the front cover off to see exactly what my problem is, but we definitely found the cause for the loud rattling in our F-150 at startup. So this is the 5.4 Triton, and this engine has 270,000 kilometers on it. I did a bit of work on it, around 215,000 kilometers, put cam phasers, timing chains, all that good stuff in here. I cheaped out a little bit and went with some aftermarket parts that maybe, caused an early failure. I don't know. We're going to find out. But I'll show you just quickly what I found for the moment, and probably going to carry on with the video tomorrow. I'm probably going to be shutting it down for the night. So I just want to show you where I'm at with this 2004 F-150. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I took the driver's, or we'll call it the left, bank off, valve cover off first, and I have a look in here, and I mean, there's a little darkness inside of the cover there, and that was there when I opened this previous. You can see the phaser and everything that I recently replaced is not the same shade. Semi-synthetic oil, maybe they heated it up a little at some point. But anyway, tight chains, real tight on this side, both sides of the chain, there's no slack there. I shone the light down in here, and you can't see down there, but things look good. The guide and everything appears to be in place, the chain guide. So I moved to the other side, and I removed the valve cover over here. And first glance, I look at my valve train and everything, and actually, they say that this can be the failure side due to it being last in line for getting the oil. But what I see there looks pretty good. But what I see here, this doesn't look good at all. So that is definitely going to be hitting on the inside of the case, and that's where we're getting the noise from. So I don't know if the tensioner in there has completely failed, or if the guides have failed for a second time, or what's happened there. So tomorrow, I think I'm going to call this a night. I removed all of the apparatus from the front of this motor. I still got to get this balancer off the crank here and the water pump pulley, just so I can get the rest of the bolts to pull the front cover. But I definitely got the hard part of the work done. Getting this power steering pump off is a bugger. Getting this driver's valve cover off isn't that easy. Well, none of it is. And actually in the program here, I lost at least one 8mm socket. And do you think I can find that? It dropped down back on the passenger side over there somewhere. Down there. And I can't find it. I've been under and over, and it's frustrating me. So anyway, carry on. Hopefully it doesn't make any difference. It fell outside of the engine. I know that. So that's important, right? But for now, that's where we're going to stop the video, and we'll carry on with this tomorrow. Thanks everybody for watching. We'll talk to you in the morning. Have a good night. And sleep tight, and don't let the bed bugs bite.